Developers are toast. In Toronto, only 87 new condos sold in December, the slowest in 30 years. And 2025 saw the lowest new home sales since 1981. Vancouver isn't doing much better. Right now, developers are sitting on record high inventory. Toronto has about 4,000 unsold units. Vancouver has over 5,000, even though Toronto has more than double the population. So what happened? For the last decade, developers focused heavily on investors. They built tiny studios and one-bedroom units to maximize price per square foot. These homes weren't designed for living. They were designed to sell fast in the pre-sale stage. But when investors disappeared, the business model fell apart. Here's the reality. Developers can't just stop building. If they stop, staff leave, subcontractors move on, and companies can go out of business. So even in a brutal market, with falling prices and fewer buyers, they still have to build something. And that's why we're seeing a massive shift. The biggest change right now is toward rentals. Developers are moving from quick condo sales to long-term rental projects. They're doing this because of government incentives, because they already own land, and because they don't have many other options. But there's a problem. Rental supply is increasing. Rents have dropped roughly 7 to 12% year over year in early 2026. Population growth has slowed, and even more rental units are coming to the market. So rentals aren't a perfect solution either. Developers are also pivoting to hotel conversions, student housing, commercial real estate, and more family-focused housing like townhouses, duplexes, and detached homes. Especially in East Vancouver and Burnaby, where zoning changes now allow multiplex housing. All of this will create pain. We'll likely see job losses in construction, developers downsizing, and more projects getting canceled. Today, we have too much inventory, and developers are scaling back and slowing down. But by 2028 to 2030, we could face a shortage of new homes. Projects that should be launching in the future need to be built today, but they're not. So fewer projects now means fewer homes later. Yes, there will always be older homes for sale, but there's always going to be people who want to buy a brand new home. So what this means is that we're entering a completely new phase of Vancouver real estate. Developers are now building bigger, more livable homes for real end users, not just investors. And to get there, the market has to go through some pain first. Now, if you're someone who needs to buy a home to actually live in, this might be one of the better opportunities we've seen in years. Right now, many developers are offering incentives, discounts, upgrades, and flexible terms, and they're more willing to negotiate than before. So if you want to know which developers are currently offering incentives, comment condos and I'll send you a free guide.